Alright, welcome back guys to another video. We're in the airport today, and my first time at an airport, so don't tell me why. Yeah, we had a couple of things to took off. So yeah. It's pretty cool here. Dang.
Go look at Burger King.
Okay. Ow. Chair. We got the fire alarm right here. Here it is. And yeah, the whole system is Siemens. All of it. We even got a whole station right there. We got fire alarm. Yeah, here's the fire alarm. Here it is. Here is another fire alarm. There's rarely any pole stations here, so yeah. They only have like one pole station over here, and there's one of the gates over here. Here's back here. I saw a fire station over here. I never seen the annunciator and anything else. Only that. Oh, there's the smoke detector. A little strobe. Speaker. Yeah. That's pretty much it. The whole system. Yeah. I mean, they got some exit signs in here. Oh, they got another pole station over there. Here's this. There's something spinning over there. Anyway, yeah. 2 pole stations, one right there, one there. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Peace, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, follow my TikTok page. Peace.